Hey lovelies, it's your girl Sierra, and I'm excited to share with you guys some fantastic Vlogtober video ideas that's tailored for this fall season. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. And for those returning, I really do appreciate your support as we get ready to dive into Vlogtober. Content creation definitely can be challenging, especially when it comes to standing out, right? So you want to produce videos that not only attract viewers, but you're gonna want to keep them engaged and boost your watch time. While vlogs are the heart of Vlogtober, it's essentially essential to incorporate fall themed content that's gonna resonate with your audience. So without further ado, let's just jump right over into 20 creative video ideas that are perfect for this autumn/fall season. So let's talk about really quickly some of the frequently asked questions. Some of the frequently asked questions: what is Vlogtober? The answer to that is simply like it's mini. So Vlogtober is a month-long challenge where creators post vlogs throughout the month of October, and they offer incorporating seasonal themed and activities throughout their videos, and like kind of base it off of like the fall and autumn theme, Halloween type of thing. Another good question is, what type of videos can I make for Vlogtober? Let's just say you can create lifestyle vlogs, do-it-yourself projects, seasonal hauls, cooking tutorials, and self-care routines, among many other things. Question number 3 is, how can I make my Vlogtober videos engaging? This is a really great question because you can incorporate storytelling, connect with viewers through like relatable experiences, and you can provide a unique perspective on tips of your choosing topics. This one's great as well. Is it important to stick to a schedule during Vlogtober? And the answer is yes. Planning your content helps to ensure your consistency, and it helps your audience to be engaged throughout the month. So last question, which was another good one, is can I participate in Vlogtober even if I'm not a full-time content creator? Absolutely. Vlogtober is for anyone that's passionate about sharing their experiences, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional. So either way, Vlogtober is something that you should engage in, even if you're not a full-time content creator. If you're part-time, you could do weekly vlogs, you could do shorts throughout the month. It's totally up to you. When it comes to content planning for Vlogtober, let's talk about those tips. So to effectively utilize these ideas during the month of Vlogtober, you're going to want to start your Vlogtober videos now. It's never too early to get to your themes and your music ready. It's also not bad to like write down ideas, print off ideas, cross them as you go along. You should also consider like a mini schedule. So like for instance, dedicate different days for filming different various tutorials, vlogs, or themed content. I know in the past I've seen people do like Book Talk Tuesday, like the fall books that they're reading on Tuesdays. I've seen people do Thirsty Thursday, where they share like a fall drink, something like that. But you know, just don't forget to create engaging narratives. So like share your hair coloring journey in a mini vlog, or while teasing your viewers about the hair reveal. So of course, start capturing those golden moments now, because those autumn vibes is something that you're going to want to share and make memorable moments, but also keeping your audience coming back for more. And this is the part where we jump into the 20 fall video ideas for Vlogtober. So one of the things that you can do is make an ultimate fall bucket list. Of course, create and check off a list of must-do fall activities, like visiting a pumpkin patch, or making caramel apples, or you know, like going to a football game, things like that. These are just some great fall bucket list ideas of things to do in the month of Vlogtober. And of course, you can always do an update at the end of Vlogtober, sharing all of the great things that you got to do during that month. The next one I have is a fall hair care routine, where you're going to showcase how you protect and nourish your hair as temperatures drop. So of course, we're coming out of summer, where temperatures were anywhere from 80 to 105 degrees, now down to in the 60s. So just make sure you show that if you would like to do a fall hair care routine, especially those who have colored hair, things like that. A fall fashion lookbook. Display a variety of fall outfits and affordable pieces for them to style them right. Of course, you can't go without like having a couple pieces of fall fashion. Definitely do like a sit down video or even a try on video where you just showcase all of the outfits that you guys have picked out for fall. A do-it-yourself fall home decor would be great too, because you can provide a step-by-step routine of like how something should be created, how it could be stylish, creating something inexpensive for the home for the season, which will be great too. A lot of people do love do-it-yourselves, and of course they also love when you do it like on a budget. Fall grocery hauls. Share the essentials that you stock up on for making like a cozy cooking experience, or the materials that you gather for like fall taste tests, things like that. Of course, just show off like the things that you're purchasing this Vlogtober, fall, October, autumn season, because there are a lot of great pumpkin spice items out. There's a lot of great just Halloween items out as well. Of course, you could do a popular Starbucks drink taste test. Of course, rank your favorite fall drinks from Starbucks and discover new favorites. That's definitely one that I wish I would have did, because I am in love with the pumpkin ice cream chai. And let me just say that I get it every time I go. Now, can't get the tall one. I need the venti one. So the best skincare fall routine could be another video idea, because you can highlight your skincare products that you're using for the dry and cold weather coming up. Another great video idea is to do a fall morning routine for the 2024 year in Vlogtober. Show people how you get ready in the fall, especially like with what you're putting on your face before you walk out the door, how you're styling your hair, what you're putting in your hair before you go out the door, how you get yourself dressed and ready for work, how you get yourself and your kids ready. It just depends on the niche of your channel. But definitely film a cozy morning routine that amplifies your fall favorite rituals. You could do a best fall perfumes, where you review warm, spicy scents. It's great for both women and men that are looking for new fall fragrances. You can do like a do-it-yourself fall candles or fall wax melts. This is something that's going to show your viewers how to create candles and wax melts from scratch, and of course sharing like all your tips on creating those fall scents. It's just something that is going to keep people interested to trying new activities, new hobbies, new crafts. Decorate with me could be a great one, because you could share a fun vlog of setting up your home with seasonal decor items, whether it be from Home Goods, at home, Target, Walmart, Marshalls, Burlington, you name it. You could do a fall Netflix recommendation video where it suggests binge-worthy shows and movies to watch during those crisp fall nights. Now, let me just say, I would love to do this video, and I'm definitely thinking of doing it because Netflix has a lot of great videos that you guys can just put on, play, walk off and go, put something in the crock pot for dinner and come back to. Now, Netflix also has really great ways of sharing what's coming out new, what's coming up. And so that's another good thing too. When you see a show that's getting ready to come up and you think that the trailer will be great, share the trailer too. 10 fall outfits for work and school. You can present practical yet stylish outfit ideas for everyday wear. Show the items that you're wearing to work. Show the items that you're wearing to school. I know that this is what I'm wearing to school today. We had a 2-hour delay, and I was lucky enough to batch record this video using this outfit. So just showcase all of the fall outfits that you're putting together into one. It's called a lookbook, and it's really great because a lot of people want to see the outfits that are being created for the fall. Also, like, share with them where you got it from. If you got it from Shein, if you got it from Temu, if you got it from Target, Walmart, Burlington, wherever. A fall self-care day vlog would be like a vlog where you can show the ways that you indulge in self-care during your cozy off days. So like your weekends, or if you have a day during the week where you're off, you can share like a fall self-care day where you go and, you know, get your nails done, or you can do them at home. Cheaper. So apple picking and a recipe. You can capture a day of apple picking and create a recipe using the apples that you gathered. Also, if you go to an apple orchard, there's also pumpkin patches sometimes where you guys can go and get a pumpkin. You can spend the day carving that as well while you're waiting on whatever it is you're cooking with the apples that you gathered from the pumpkin patch or the apple orchard. And you can just share a recipe of the things that you make. So you could try a fall themed snack. You can taste test popular fall snacks or create your own and share the experience. I know that this is a great one because there are so many different fall flavored snacks out, I mean, everywhere that you could try. And I think the options are endless for the different varieties of the fall flavor items. A fall day in the life where you can document a day filled with your favorite seasonal activities. This is a great one, especially in the fall where you're wearing probably like some pants, a long sleeve shirt, and you're, you know, just trying to get out and have some fun, and you go and do, you know, like some different seasonal things throughout the day, whether you run here, run there. Just document it. It's a great way to show a fall day in your life of what it is you actually did. How I organize my closet for fall. Man, to get your wardrobe prepped for the fall season through a closet organization vlog would be great. I think that there's people that can definitely do that with the extra space in the closet. And I think that it's just a great way to show like the pieces that you're gonna possibly wear in the fall. A fall get ready with me doesn't sound too bad either, because you can share like a makeup tutorial, outfit, and hairstyle for a special fall event. You also can just share like what it is you're using, as far as like if you're washing your face, where you got the outfit from, you know, like show the hairstyle that you're putting together. And then of course you can share the special event that you went to. Last but not least, there's a best fall Amazon finds. Review must-have fall items that you can easily grab from Amazon. So, you know, whether that means like a pair of pumpkin slippers, or, you know, just trying, you know, some other different things, like buying a dash where you can get the Halloween designs on it. These things are endless on what's on Amazon, because Amazon has a lot. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also consider hitting the subscription button down below. And I will catch you guys in the next Vlogtober video.